Okay, here we are, part 2 of the bread making episode. And it came out of the oven. It looks like this. Got a little soggy, yeah, it's going to have a little soggy bottom. It's probably going to be very stodgy. But I went over to the Bin Inn, which is a spice store here in New Zealand. If I didn't mention we're in New Zealand, this is where we are. We're on Bambu, and right now it's pouring rain. So, what went wrong with my bread? I do believe it was the flour. See, it's kind of tough to pull apart. We were going to pull that apart. I'm going to go ahead and pull a chunk off of it. Actually, it has some good air holes. Yeah, that's kind of wrestling with it. Yeah, look at that. Got some really good air holes.
Yep.
You want to taste it, honey?
Do I have to?
Oh, yeah, taste it.
Tastes good. Tastes like bread.
Oh, good. Well, there we have it. Tastes like bread.
Tastes like
Yay.
bread.
And then there's my Dutch oven cast iron skillet that I used. And then continuing on with the Bajora fruit. Oh, look what he's doing. He's going for the butter. A little scrape. Oh, sorry. There we go.
Better.
Yum. Try it with the Bajora fruit. I cut it.
Oh.
Getting the grand tour of my galley. It's a
Bite
galley
it?
on a boat. Yeah, go ahead.
That is good. It's sort of...
You're in the... Yeah, thank you. Bright light.
It's sort of a sweet taste. Almost like the inside of a strawberry. Mixed maybe with a little like pear.
Uh-huh.
Nice texture. The meat inside here is not squishy, but it's fibrous. I certainly like it. I'm going to get some more.
Okay. We'll hop over to the Packy tomorrow
All right.
and pick up some more.
Good job.
Okay. Well, signing off from New Zealand. We're actually in the Whangarei Marina, which is the Northland. The Hobbits were filmed in the Southland, along with Lord of the Rings. Okay. Y'all have fun, and this is Gail on Gone Bamboo, signing off.